Hi, my name is Gav. I became an estate planner through CTT's Be Your Own Boss program. I come from a sales background. I've known what it's like to deal with constant pressure, targets, deadlines. After a while, I decided I wanted to take control of my workload and honestly, my life. That's when I started to think, why not work for myself? I knew I had a lot of skills that I could transfer to other industries. Sales teaches you a ton. Organisation, time management, communication, and that's exactly what drew me to estate planning and will writing through CTT. Estate planning is a great field for someone who's entrepreneurial like me. You get to work with a variety of clients, each with unique needs. It's rewarding because you're helping people secure their future, but you're also building something for yourself, your own business. It's all about understanding their needs, communicating effectively, and delivering a great service. The difference? I'm not just meeting someone else's targets, I'm setting my own. And I have the support of CTT along the way. If you're someone who's got the drive, the people skills, and the desire to take control of your career, estate planning could be a great fit. It's an important industry, good for anyone who wants to own their own business and really make a difference. Plus, you get to work on your own terms and achieve a balance that works for you.